massive blue planet, calm and silent, turning slowly in the endless dark. Then the camera begins to dive through the clouds, across Asia, locking onto India, and pushing closer until one of the most violent landscapes on Earth rises into view, the Himalayas. Here, the mountains are not just high, they are brutal. Cliffs rip through the land like the planet itself has been torn open. Canyons plunge so deep, they seem to swallow the light. And the wind howls through the valleys with enough force to crush anything humans dare bring into it. And right in the middle of that impossible wilderness, humanity decided to build a bridge. Not just any bridge, but the highest railway bridge in the world. So high that even a giant tower beneath it would still make the train look like it is floating in the sky. So high that from the bridge deck, the Chenab River below looks like nothing more than a thin silver ribbon cutting through stone and mist. A staggering 359 meters above the riverbed. But height is only one part of the story. What truly turned this structure into a legend is the place where it had to be built, inside an isolated gorge, on fractured, unstable mountain geology, in one of the harshest terrains engineers have ever faced. A place where, in the beginning, there was not even a proper road to reach the site. And yet this was where they had to bring in 30,000 tons of steel. They had to haul heavy machinery up dangerous mountain roads. They had to suspend giant steel components in midair. They had to assemble them with millimeter precision in powerful winds at terrifying height, with no support rising from the bottom of the valley. This was no longer just a bridge construction story. This was a direct confrontation between human ambition and one of the harshest landscapes on Earth. To turn the impossible into reality, India pursued this project for more than 2 decades. 20 years of surveying, 20 years of blasting roads into mountains, 20 years of drilling deep into rock and locking foundations into the heart of the Himalayas, 20 years of calculating every gust of wind, every vibration, every tiny margin of error, all to answer one question. Can humanity place a colossal ribbon of steel across one of nature's most savage abysses and make a train run across it as safely as if it were on solid ground? In today's video, we are going to follow that entire journey. From the moment this site was nothing but a deadly gorge with no access, to the first steel sections flying across the sky on a giant cable crane system, to the moment the massive arch finally closed in midair, and ultimately to the historic instant when the first train rolled across one of the greatest engineering achievements of the modern age. This is a story about ambition, about endurance, about world-class engineering, and about a bridge that does not just connect 2 cliffs, but reconnects an entire region, once cut off for centuries, to its future. Welcome to the story of Chenab Bridge, the steel miracle in the heart of the Himalayas.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Almost there, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Watch the swings a little higher now.
Clear on this side, keep it coming.
Bring it down 20 feet, slow and steady. Copy that, coming down.
Watch the gap on the lower chord. We need another 5 centimeters to the west. Hold it there. All right, easy now. Bring it left, slow down. Settle it right there.
Easy now, easy. A little more to the left, hold it there. Looks good, locking it in.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with final tensioning. Roger that. Lock the crown joint.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the east side.
Clear on this end, keep coming down.
Looks good, set it. Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment right there. We're good, lock it in.
All right, hold it steady.
Clear on the east side.
Bring it down slowly, watching the alignment.
Lower the main hoist. We're clear on this end. All right, hold the tension. Lower it down slow, easy now.
And now, joined by the incredible team of engineers, we officially open this bridge.